Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to fix Windows 11 login problems. Firstly, restart your device, close all open programs, and click the power button or hold it for at least 30 seconds to force a shutdown. Wait about 10 minutes before turning it back on and try signing it again. 2. Run the system file checker. Press Windows plus S and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as an Administrator. In the CMD window, type the following command, which is sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any on-screen instructions. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If not, disable your antivirus software. Right-click on the antivirus icon in the system tray near the clock. Turn off virus and threat protection in App and Browser Control. Then try signing in again. Always create a system restore point before making changes to the registry. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.